then I like also very much that the villa is not too big. This means we have about 480 square meters, but we don't have to have children, we had only animals. So for us this was a beautiful,
yes.
But I may show you inside now. Please come in, my dear.
Throwing stones at your window, let me in. All that I am is where my hands begin. If I could be your shelter in the storm, I would. If we're together in the hours of dawn, there's something about your eyes, the way they shine in the light, like diamonds on the sea. They put my mind at ease. Falling asleep to the sound of your heartbeat. You say it's late when I see you in my dreams. But I don't want this feeling to ever go from here.
But welcome. This is our first open house in Italy, and we are very excited to do this, and this will also open up to future open houses. I think it's a great way to understand and appreciate a seller's home. It's just beautiful.
Throwing stones at your window, let me in. As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and life. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. In cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best, living wild and free, with you there right next to me.
And we welcome all the people who couldn't make it today. We do have guests, and we have other agents who have come here today to help us with this first open house. So wonderful.